How to fix the iPhone logo is not showing up in iTunes. So if you're trying to connect your iPhone to your computer but it's not showing the Apple logo, then I'll show you exactly how to go and solve this. So basically iTunes discontinued the feature that allows you to connect your phone to the iTunes app. So what you'll need to do to connect this is open up the start menu on your computer and then just go and load up your PC settings. From the left hand side, click on apps and then press installed apps. Now click on the search box at the top of the page and then go and search for iTunes and click on the 3 horizontal dots and press uninstall. Now you'll need to make sure this is completely uninstalled from your computer. Now once it's uninstalled like this, we can close out of the window. You can open up your start menu, search for the Microsoft Store and go and open up this window. You can then click on the search box at the top of the page and you'll need to go and search for Apple devices. So this is basically the new app that's replacing iTunes. So if you go and click on this app here, you can then click on the blue install button and you'll need to wait while this downloads to your computer. Once it's finished downloading, press the open button. You can then agree to the terms and conditions. And once you have the app open, just press start. And now we can come over to our iPhone. Now from your iPhone, you'll need to load up your settings like this. Scroll down and click on General, and then scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. You can then click on Reset and press Reset Location and Privacy. Now you may need to enter your iPhone's passcode to confirm these changes. Once everything's been reset, you can grab your USB-C cable, go and plug one end into the iPhone and the other end into your laptop or computer. Now you'll get a trust this computer message pop up on your iPhone. Make sure to go and click on allow. Now once it's connected, you'll be able to see your iPhone from the left hand side and you'll be able to perform all of the same functions that you would in iTunes. So you can see that I can either update or restore my iPhone, and I can also create manual backups of my iPhone as well. If you want to sync your documents or your files, you can also do that by clicking the sync button, and that's how to connect your iPhone to iTunes.